Jane Doe actually initially started as a passion project for me way back in 2020. So before, I was a pastry chef in the US. But then COVID happened. I had to go home or else mag-expire na yung visa ko. Or else
Mm.
magiging TNT ako ganon. Pero I didn't want that to happen. So luckily when I went back to the Philippines, wala pang quarantine nun. So madali
Mm.
lang for me to go home. And
Mm.
that's when I realized na I needed a source of income. So why not practice my profession pa rin?
Mm.
And the last thing I did at work was macarons. So sabi ko, it really
Hmm.
left a lasting impression on me kasi
Mm.
I was 21 by that time. It's like super, super nag-start pa lang yung career ko. And macarons is really, really hard to make.
Mm.
So for a few attempts, talaga nag-fail yung macarons ko sa bahay. I had limited equipment, I had limited tools, and I started the business with $100. Yun lang yung natitira
Hmm.
kong pera sa wallet na kinonvert ko. When I introduced Jane Doe to Benilde Hi-Fi, na-create ko na yung Filipino flavored macarons. These are not your typical ube cheese
Hmm.
or like makapuno. We're not that kind of food profile. I would say we're very experimental kasi so ano ginagawa ni Jane Doe? So I said, we make adobo macarons. We make
Oh, oh
kare-kare
my God.
macarons. And they're like, what? Adobo? Kare-kare? Sinigang? How? And then, when I onboarded din, nagdala ako ng samples. And then, they realized na what it works. Yung ganun.
Oh.